Under Section 198 capital C of the Corporations Act, a board of directors can grant powers to a managing director who then manages the daily operation of the company. Subsection B says that the directors can also vary or revoke powers given to the managing director. Section 246 A allowed the court to issue orders if the affairs of the company were conducted in a way that was oppressive or prejudicial to the interests of a particular member. That power is now found in sections 232 and 233. Ground and Foundation Supports Proprietary Limited was the brainchild of a man named Metz, whose family trust was GFS Management Services. Metz had identified a sheet piling system for retaining earthworks, which could be very successful in Perth, which has sandy soil. However, he needed money, and so two investors, Patterson and Black, agreed to contribute. All three became shareholders and directors, with Patterson and Black paying cash for 35% each, and Metz getting the rest for the value of his intellectual property. Metz obtained the licence for the technology in Australia, was appointed managing director, and business boomed. Metz formed the view that he was being underpaid and demanded more. When his demands were not met, he claimed that he was the true owner of the patent licence and threatened to terminate it. This made it impossible for him to continue as managing director. He had just threatened the viability of the company he was meant to be managing. A directors' meeting was called and a motion to dismiss him was carried. He challenged that motion on the grounds that it was oppressive because he had been given insufficient notice and insufficient opportunity to present his argument. The full WA Supreme Court disagreed. Justice Warwork said, "I am not aware of any decided case which says that where there is conduct of such a fundamental nature that the mutual trust of a quasi-partnership company is destroyed, a warning of dismissal has to be given. What is required, according to the authorities, is fair dealing. That must depend upon an evaluation of the particular circumstances. In this case, there had been an opportunity for Mr. Metz to withdraw his demands at the earlier meeting when his solicitor was present. This case confirms that a directors' meeting has the power to dismiss a managing director, provided they do so in a manner that represents fair dealing."